Surya Namaskara. Sun salutation is one of the most common and beneficial practice in yoga. But I see many people doing sun salutation, but they have doubts. Doubts like how many steps are there in sun salutation, how many poses are there in sun salutation, or like what is the breathing technique while changing the yoga poses. So in this video, I will clear all your doubts. I will tell you what is the proper alignment and method to do sun salutation. Anubhaji will show you the yoga poses and I will explain you how to do the yoga poses even if you are beginners. Okay, Anubhaji? So let's start. In order to do sun salutation, grab your mat and come to one corner of your mat like this. So here, this is asana number 1. So there are 7 asanas in sun salutation and 12 steps. Okay, so most of the people think that there are 12 asanas in sun salutation, but no, there are 7 asanas and we repeat these asanas in 12 steps. Okay, so this is going to be the first step. Asana number 1, Namaskara asana. Both hands at your heart center at Namaskara mudra, fit together like this. So if you are doing sun salutation every day in incorrect way, so you will not get that results which you should get. So first watch the video completely and then start doing these sun salutation every day. Then you will see the difference. So this is the first asana, and in first asana the breathing pattern remains normal. So take your both hands at your heart center, your thumb touching to your chest like this, like she is standing here. Okay, open your lungs, roll your shoulder blades back like this. Okay, now this is asana number 1, normal breathing. Now while inhaling you have to lift your both hands up, lift your body up. And now be very careful when you are going in back bending, because if you go in back bending like this, so there are chances that you feel dizziness and you might fall down as well. So do not go beyond your limit. So this is asana number 2, both hands up, Hasta Uttanasana. Now asana number 3, forward fold down, try to touch the ground. Now you can hold your ankles, and if you can, try to touch your head to the knee if you can. If you cannot, no problem, keep trying, try to go. This is asana number 3, Padhast asana. Okay, now from here, asana number 4, we start with the right leg. Bend your knees to 90-degree angle, and while inhaling, take your right leg back. Inhaling, right leg back, look up. Now some people take the knee down like this, some people takes the knee up like this. So both ways are correct, whatever suits you. Okay, so stay here for some time, face up, and your knee should not cross your toe. Okay, so go a little back and try to look up. So this is asana number 4. Now while exhaling, go to mountain pose, asana number 5. Stay here in mountain pose. You have to stretch your shoulders down and try to touch your heels to the ground. Make sure your knees are straight. Now asana number 6, Ashtanga Naman. So take your knees down, chest and chin down slowly like this. Okay, here you have to hold your breath. Now asana number 7, Cobra pose. While inhaling, come up to Cobra pose. How to do Cobra pose? Roll your shoulders back, push your pelvic down. You can make a distance between your legs about 1 foot, or if you are flexible enough, you can touch your feet as well. Okay, stay here for some time. Elbows should not go out like this, or your shoulders should not come up like this. Roll your shoulder back, bend your elbows, look up. So this was asana number 7. So these asanas are there in sun salutation. Now we have to repeat these asanas in 12 steps. So this was step number 7. Now step number 8, we will repeat from mountain pose. While exhaling, go to mountain pose. This is step number 8, and you have to exhale in mountain pose. Stay there. When you are holding the pose, you can continue your normal breathing. Now stay there. Number 9, what you have to do, now people get confused that which leg should come forward. So here we suggest the same leg should come forward what you have taken back. So this was right leg. While inhaling, take your right leg forward between your both hands like this. Okay, now some people might feel difficulty of taking the leg forward. So what they can do, they can just, when they were doing this mountain, so they can do like this and hold it like this and take it forward. Okay, so this is inhale. Asana number 9, step number 9. This is called Ashwasanchalanasana. Now, step number 10, take your both legs forward while exhaling. Stay here. Try to go as deep as you can go. This is exhale. Asana number 10. Now, step number 10, sorry, because there are only 7 asanas and 12 steps. Now, while inhaling, lift your both hands up and go back. Hastuttanasana once again. This is asana number, step number 11. Now, step number 12, while exhaling, both hands to your heart center. Namaskara Mudra. So these are 12 steps and 7 asanas in sun salutation. Now, you have to repeat the same with left leg as well. Okay. How to do it with left legs? I'll show you once again. Okay. Okay, Anvaji. Okay, take your both hands at your heart center. Number 1. Number 2, inhale, both hands up. While exhaling, take your both hands down. Okay. While inhaling, take your, this time, left leg back. Look up. While exhaling, take your both legs back. Mountain pose. Now hold your breath, knees down and chest and chin down. While inhaling, come up to cobra pose. While exhaling, go to mountain pose. Now, which leg should come forward? Same leg, left leg. While inhaling, left leg forward. Exhaling, both legs forward. Inhale, both hands up. Exhaling, namaskara. So these are 12 steps of sun salutation with 7 asanas. We have shown you the correct breathing technique and we have told you the correct alignment in poses as well. So, how did you like the video? Please make a comment below the video, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and family members. If you want us to make video on any topic, just make a comment below the video. Okay, and show your love and support by subscribing our channel, sharing this video to the maximum people, and share the right knowledge so that they can take the maximum results of their yoga practice. So this is it for today. We will see you in next video. Till then, thank you. Namaste.